Feels so refreshing to do your skincare routine and relax and look out the window on a rainy day. It feels amazing. I usually struggle in the morning to formulate words. If you guys watched yesterday's vlog where I was organizing, today is kind of the same deal because I have to organize the house. On Saturdays, people like to get facials because they're not working, so that means I work. My days end around 3 on Saturday, so I still have the rest of the day after that. I did my skincare routine. I am going to organize the bathroom, the kitchen, and also the living room. I have to iron, I have to clean, I have to wash dishes. I want to bring you guys along and see how I transform my apartment into like presentable spa. First thing to do is light a candle. Yes, I do use a chopstick because I have it and it works. The first place that I'm gonna clean is the kitchen because it is the biggest one and the one that needs the most work because, you know, we do cook and we do live in this house. I'm gonna start off by cleaning the stove, then washing the dishes, cleaning this corner of the kitchen, and then organizing this area. Then we're gonna do the bathroom and then the living room. Such a lonely place. Now there's all this space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need affection. Doesn't matter what you say, 'cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it every day. I need affection. Doesn't matter what you say, 'cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it every day. Look up at the sky, ask it why are you always so far? Okay, kind of in a time crunch, so I'm gonna show you the overview and then show you the after. and we're gonna get ready and start working.
Now it's all the space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no, I'm not okay. I just wanna say, I need affection. Doesn't matter what you say, 'cause now that I don't have it.
Putting on some lip balm, the one that I've mentioned before in Nutty Milk from Ulip. I'm gonna quickly get ready. I only do my makeup from here and up because there's no point since I'm gonna be wearing a mask. I'm gonna go in with the Sem concealers. I use both the 02 and 1.5 because I am kind of like an in-between. Now I'm gonna go in with the 1.5 just to highlight that area a little bit because I find that the 02 is a little bit too close to my actual skin color. I'm gonna set it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 10 Fairlight. You guys find that whenever you're in a rush, everything goes wrong. I feel like I need to relax. You guys saw me do my brows before, so I'm going to just speed through this. Now I go in with some bronzer. I'm gonna go with the Laguna from NARS, and I use a fluffy brush just to give me some warmth to my eyes. And that's literally it. I don't use any lid shade, no glitter, no highlight, no brow bone highlight. I just go in with a little wash of color. Mascara makes such a nice difference. It really opens the eyes. It's one of my favorite steps for sure. That is literally it. Just some brows, brow gel, transition shade, mascara, and concealer and powder. Let's talk about a small business owned candle brand that I am obsessed with at the moment. This one is from this brand right here. This is in the scent Jasmine and Black Amber, and the owner, she actually said that this is a pretty popular scent and that is very well loved, so I can definitely agree with that. I ordered a backup and then a room spray and then another room spray in a different scent. The brand is Latina owned. I love to support Latina owned businesses, independent small businesses as well, and definitely check them out. It's really important for us to support small businesses during this holiday season because God knows how much small businesses have been affected during this pandemic. I just wanted to say, you know, I started this small business of mine right when the pandemic hit, and of course, you know, like people lost their jobs, lost loved ones. So at the end of the day, I'm really grateful to even have a roof over my head, to have a job, and to be healthy, and for my family and friends to also be healthy. When I opened back up and I received, you know, the amount of support that I am receiving, I was left speechless. Even if it was 2 people a week or 2 people a month, that would mean the world to me. And here I am getting emotional. I'm super grateful for every single thing. Whenever I get a notification on my phone, a message saying, oh my God, I've just booked with you, or you have a new customer, or you have a new client, or someone just rebooked, I get so freaking happy, and that feeling hasn't gone away, and I don't think it ever will, because to me it's so surreal that even during these really tough times, people choose to come here and, you know, support me. My clients are the best. She just laughed and said, oh my God, I'm gonna brag to my husband about you, and saying how her skin usually reacts to everything, and after my facial, her skin is so calm and it's better than she expected. This is exactly why I do what I do. It makes me feel happy that they leave happy. This is the cleanser that I like. But I got this when it first came out for that price for the really big one. Honest Beauty.
It isn't Jessica.
This is the best mist ever. I use it, I think I talked about this in yesterday's vlog.
Yeah, you did.
But this is the best. Definitely pick it up.
Exactly.
This whole calm line doesn't have any fragrance either.
Discount code and description.
No, I don't. And also this body lotion, so great. It goes into your skin really fast. I haven't tried the AP, this one, but I want to next. It's even more intense.
Rolling.
I always wanted to get one of these, but I can't make up my mind on what shit I want.
Alright, so tell them your top 3 or something.
Topaz.
Okay.
Topaz.
Okay.
Nah, I don't need it. I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't need it. We're in Target. Hello.
Hello.
We're just getting some essentials and we're gonna look at curtains now. For my mom's
For
gift.
your mom's birthday.
These look pretty too. These look good for like a bathroom.
She wants for her window.
So I've been looking for another throw blanket to add to the spa. And this looks very nice and warm because my living room is like gray.
Yeah.
So I think
Smashes
this would
the
be nice.
colors.
Plus it's lined, so it's gonna be
Soft.
warm for the winter.
Look how big
Should
it
I get
is.
it? Try it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get it. I've been looking for one. Okay, babe, do you want to close the vlog for me?
Yeah, this is attempt number 4.
Go.
Thank you guys for tuning in to Vlogmas Day
I
7, 8,
think 6?
6.
Yeah, 6. Yep, I'll be back tomorrow. I'm
with
gonna,
another one.
Yeah. So we'll be back tomorrow, actually. Because I think we're going to go to Trader Joe's.
Yeah, we got a whole journey tomorrow filled with acai bowls.
And Trader Joe's. And that's
Don't
literally
tell
it.
them too much.
Okay, we're going to keep it a secret, okay? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, and thank you for watching.